Did you know that thin pavers are a great option when considering your next hardscape improvement? If your existing patio or pool deck is in good shape, then you may be able to overlay that area with a thin paver. Thin pavers are also called remodel pavers and are approximately 30 millimeters thick, otherwise known as 1-inch pavers. The cool thing about these 1-inch pavers is that they require little to no demolition of your old concrete surface, so installation is fast and it won't mess up your existing landscape. In order to use a thin paver on your pool deck or patio, there are some things that you need to look for. Before you start laying pavers, you need to make sure that the area is not damaged or cracked. Any major issues like large cracks or unevenness will compromise the newly laid pavers and therefore is not suggested. If your area is damaged, you may want to consider excavation, but before you start your project, we recommend calling a hardscape professional to get their opinion. The second thing that you need to make sure of when installing pavers on a pool deck and a patio is that you have enough clearance between your door treads and the new pavers. Since the pavers are 1-inch thick and your bedding stand will also be approximately 1-inch thick, you will need at least 2 inches of clearance between the paver surface and the door tread. In most cases, if you're laying thin pavers within a lanai area, you will need to have the door raised when the transition from the interior to the exterior patio is happening. Remodeling your outdoor areas does not have to be as invasive as you think. To get more information on remodel pavers, patio designs, and thin paver color options, visit our website at americanpavingdesign.com. Here we can help guide you through all the right channels to make your overlay project as simple as possible.